Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Luna overview. We've got a very crucial trend line that I'm not sure if you're seeing, but I'll point this out to you in this video that we really need to watch for a fast drop back down. We're going to go over all the technical analysis. We will be covering the emotional index for Luna today, the long versus short trades, the market cap strength. Definitely watch that. Trades in favor, what whales and institutions and smart money are doing today, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries for you guys who are hodlers, and then I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Speaking of trade setups, guys, we have never lost a crypto trade ever. We are sitting at 122 wins with 0 losses, and we are about to actually win our Luna trade. We're getting very close, so I will show you guys where we're currently sitting on that. But the second half of the video, I'll give you guys all the data of how to get into our membership and all that, but I want to dive into the analysis first. Let's go. So Luna. First thing we need to start with is the trend dashboard. What are retail trader indicators showing them? Because if we can understand what retail traders are looking at, we can start trading against them. And this is honestly how Wells institutions and big boys trade. They trade against the emotions because the big guys, they need the emotions of retail traders for liquidity. Okay. This morning, it's a little in the middle. We're above the 100 moving average. We're below the 200, but we're below the 50. MACD's bearish. RSI's bearish, stochastic is bullish. So right now it's hard to tell. We're kind of sitting in a middle zone. You're going to see that today. But I want to show this to you guys. If you take a trend line out here, I want everybody to be watching this line right here. It has been respected pretty much the last 24 or 48 hours here. We have just been respecting it the entire time. The amount of respect that this is seen, it's great, but it makes me a little, not nervous, but it makes me just cautious in here. If this thing breaks, a lot of traders are looking at this spot right here. We're coming into what's called a pressure point right now, where we have an ascending support and a descending resistance. This area right here is where an incredible amount of pressure is going to be forming. We're either going to fly up here and we're going to go to structure high here. Most likely it's going to put us right about 101. Or we're going to start falling back down here. And the first structure is really about right here. And I'll come out here with a rectangle so we can all see this. This is right about here that I'm looking at. It's within this zone. So the first drop point that I'm looking for on this, if we do start moving back down, is right between the middle here. And I would say it's right about $85. And then if $85 crashes through there, we've basically got the next strongest support is down here for everybody in Luna. So just be aware of this, that we could start seeing moves down here a little bit faster than you would like if we start breaking this. And we could actually be pushing all the way down to the structure support here of about $76. We can't get all the way down to 75 because that pushes us below, but about $76 is where we could head. Now watch this. What's happening with the whale money flow? For 1 second, guys, I want to take this off here, and I want to take the price off, and I want to just look at whale money flow here, and I want to make it transparent in relationship to the trend exhaustion, which shows are the trends and the structures of Luna getting exhausted from going up, or they do for a move back down or a pump. Watch this. As wells start buying into Luna on any exchange, these guys, when it gets to these higher prices up here, literally with the structures, you're going to see them start to sell off. So this literally shows you guys, the way we program this is money flowing into the exchange. But when this starts getting really high, as well as when the structure gets high, this is where we have correlations of moves back down in the market. So you have to understand this. This is showing what the flow of money is doing, the whale money flow on the exchange. This is showing you guys what the structures are doing. Now, if a structure is overextended and it's exhausted from going up, and you've got whale money flow really high, guys, they're going to stop buying in the market. They're going to shift their trades either over to short trades, or they're going to be looking to sell their trades to push the market back down. Okay? You can see this over here. Trend exhaustion's high, whale money flow's high, and I won't circle all of them here, but you guys can see the correlation here. Even at the all-time highs over here, watch this. The trend exhaustion was high, the whale money flow is high, but let me take this a step further. Did we get a drop yet? Yes, we got the drop, but watch this. And I was pointing this out on this videos yesterday. If you guys ever see price structure making a high and another high, and you guys come down here and you see the whale money flow making a high and a lower high in same duration, same time period, and you see the trend exhaustion do the same thing, you need to watch for the really big drops back down in the market. Okay? That is where the predictions are happening and things are crashing. If you are shorting, you did absolutely amazing over here. Okay? But you can also see this over here getting into this long position, and I will pull this all together here, guys. When you see a low and a higher low, and you see price action make a low and another lower low, This is showing that the trend wants to reverse. And it will get its way, guys. It will. I've watched this long enough to know that this gets its way. And plus, around the same time, you see wells selling out, looking to shift over to long trades. They're going to start buying again. Okay, now moving to the forefront, now that you guys can see how I'm using this, even over here, you guys can see, all right, we started moving back down. Why didn't it go all the way down? Because wells were done selling. Because they were done selling here and the price went up. They were done selling here, price went up, done selling here, price went up, done selling there, price went up. What are we looking at right now? I believe we're coming into the situation here where wells are looking to be done selling. If it breaks down, guys, this is going to be an incredible entry for everybody. If you guys are scalping with us, or you guys are just looking for an entry for our long trades, and I'll show you how to do that in the second half of the video. When trend exhaustion is down here and it pairs up with a low well money flow, that is going to act as a springboard action back up, and I want you guys to watch that, okay? Just keep an eye on that. Let's go over the metrics now, and I'll show you guys some things I'm looking at. The emotional index is sitting in the neutral section today. So are we blasting up really high? Are we coming down really low? No, we're neutral. It's because we're creating a pressure point right now. I'll tell you guys, when pressure points are created like this is one of the best times to get into a long trade. I'll show that to you guys in a second here. Long and short trades. Short trades are increasing over here at a rapid pace more than long trades. So I think what a lot of people are looking at right now is this ascending support line. If you've got money in Luna, just be aware of this. If this thing breaks, we're going down here and we're going to be targeting this area of about $85, $86 immediately. Like that's where we're going to be moving down to, okay? If we move down, we could get a break and a retest back up, and then we could be targeting lower structures, but we can talk about that later. The market cap strength of Luna, yes, it is moving down here, and this is millions of dollars moving out of Luna, but as long as the green line follows the white line, it means it's healthy. We don't want to start seeing price action in white moving up like this and the actual market cap going down, crossing it. We don't want to see that. That means money is moving out of the market and people are literally abandoning that coin while the price is going up. Not good things happen. If you look at the Bitcoin metric, you'll see that happened, and we've literally been able to call the cycles of Bitcoin because of that. Okay, trades in favor. If you guys are looking at this, we're sitting in a neutral section. Neutral sections or good long trades areas, these are great times to get into long trades. The reason why I say right now is a good time to get in is because we don't know what's going to happen here. And pressure points, if you're not exposed to the market, there's no way you're going to take advantage of this if it just blasts up here. But if it goes down, we use incredible risk management that you guys will see us in this video. I'll show you guys how to do that, okay? Because if it goes down, you're still going to be good. Well, in institutional smart money, what is this showing us? This is showing us that long trades are being acquired over here. Short trades came out very strong over here. The price ended up moving back down. We even see this over here where we saw a little bit of a dip in the market right here because we saw shorts come out and we saw the long trades increase over here. Long trades increasing, pushing the price up. And then once we see that, we can see short trades coming out over here. Okay, we see the flip-flop. Alternatively, when you guys are getting really greedy and you're getting excited in the market, please check this. I'm not kidding. When you wake up in the morning, you're like, oh my gosh, we're going to the moon. Check the well and institutional smart money because these guys are most likely looking to short and you guys are going to lose your positions really fast. This is why you need really good risk management forward first in your strategies and then look to take profit after. It's opposite of what a lot of retail traders do. Okay, support and resistance prices. As far as resistance, I'm looking at this at $97 here. And then down here, I'm looking at this about 75.6, okay? That's the low scenarios down here, about the 75.6 I was showing you guys. First area down here, about 86, and then we're looking for this possible drop down here to 75. Let me go the other direction right now, though, because this needs to be talked about. If this pressure point is hit, the first area we're going to go is structure right here. And let me get you guys a rectangle here so you can see this. This is the structure I'm looking at. It's correlated all the way back over here. It's a very strong zone here. And I would say it's right about this area. So if we do go up, we're looking to target probably right around 97 to a high point here of about $100. So we're looking at either a pump move up to 100 as a high, or we're looking at the move down here to about, I would say, $82, $83. So it's between $100 and $83. Let me write this on my iPad here so I want to remember all this. So we're looking at 183. Let me write this down here. Sorry, guys. 183. Okay. Let's move over to the other metrics here. As far as dollar cost average entries, if you guys have, let's say, $1,000, $10,000. Split it into 10 portions. You guys can enter in over here. This is showing you guys some really great entries to get into the market. And if you guys are holding for 5 to 10 years, great entries. And you guys are basically getting a dollar cost average. So no matter if you're getting it high or you're low, your average is doing really, really well because you're dollar cost averaging in here. Okay. Let me show you guys now. I'm going to transition you guys in this video of how to get into this trade setup here, because this is what our traders are doing. They're making great money. But before I do that, let me give you guys a quick update on what our trade is looking like in Luna, because we're about to win this. And this is where it starts getting really fun, because we can actually, I can show you guys where we're at. So this is the live trade that we're currently in for our membership. This is where we're sitting. We are sitting very close to this break-even entry right here. We've hit we've hit 3 buy limits. April 15th was the last one we hit. And as you can see here with our strategy, your break-even entry, it's going to be moving down, guys, every time you hit a buy limit. It's the only strategy you can trade that as the market goes down below your entry, you guys actually get a more favorable entry and a better risk to reward ratio. For those of you guys who get in right now and you follow what I'm about to show you in this video, I'm going to be looking to exit this right about at this height over here. Let me get the percentage out so you can see this. You can join me on this. Let me get a little bit higher here so this can actually pull it in here. Let me get a price action here. I'm going to be looking to exit this around this structure right here. So that's going to be about a 22% gain for all of you guys who get in and you follow me in this video, okay? And you guys get into the actual buy limits. We're getting very close. This will be our 123rd win. And then Shiba Inu is very close. That'll be 124. And we're just going to do this over and over again. So I wouldn't doubt if by mid-May we start pushing to 130, if not higher by mid-May. And if the overall market can start moving up here, we'll probably win them a lot faster. Okay, guys? Let me transition you guys right now into how to actually trade our strategy so you guys can get into this trade. All right, we'll see you guys. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the analysis. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now for the coin that you're viewing. On the front page of tradeconfident.io, you're going to see all the coins that we cover. Every single one of these, obviously the one I just covered in this video, you guys can see here. Click on any of these coins. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example, and here is how we have literally never lost a single crypto trade ever. I'm going to teach this to you guys right now so you can follow along, and I'll show you guys how to get into our membership and get our indicators the best deal possible today, okay? Follow me on this. What you're going to see is 4 different buy limits on each of our coins, on all of our metrics at the bottom of every page. What you guys are going to do is you're going to choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. That $1,000 is then split up into 4 equal portions, so $250. You are going to place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit lines here in yellow. So $250 here, $250 here, $250, and $250. This will give you guys extremely good risk management, which is honestly part of the reason why we've never lost a trade and why we have the healthiest account right now in bear markets when the market does go down. Okay, it is because of the good risk management. Once the first buy limit is hit, you guys want to set up a sell limit in your exchange for a 100% exit up here at the green price. And you're going to see this on every single one of our cryptos. If you want a video, then you guys are more visual, watch the video at the bottom of the page and you guys will learn that. Once you guys have this set up, make sure you guys follow me in Telegram, because you guys will end up getting all of the exits that I call out for all of our team. Literally all of the win rates that we have, all the entries and the exits will be called out in Telegram. So this is how you guys access this. Come over here to pricing. Our win rate is going to be updated right here. Obviously, when you're watching this, it's probably going to be a lot higher. But guys, we are only charging you $95 a month. It is the cheapest membership you can get for this type of service here. All of the metrics for each of our coins, you guys can spy on the whales, see what the whales are doing, trade with the institutions, getting, the trades in favor, the best trades to take for the day, all those are yours. The Telegram channel, you guys also get all the entries and exits for all the calls that I'm making. The masterclasses that I've literally taught hundreds of millions and billion-dollar hedge funds, literally I've taught them those principles. You guys can watch that in the masterclasses over here. And then something we added that you guys said you just love is we added a community chat. I'm like, you know what? If we're winning all these trades and the users who have actually used our strategy, if you guys have followed me to a T and you literally just copied me in the Telegram channel, which you guys can access here, you guys have never lost a trade with our main strategy or our scalping strategy, which I'll show you in this video here. But come into the chat, talk to other traders. We're looking for trade setups and we're just talking about the markets. And then on top of that, Every month, once a month, I do a live Zoom call with everybody. So if you're part of the membership, I will post that out here. It's going to be in the Inner Circle Hangout. You guys will see me post the date, and then I'm going to give you guys a Zoom link, and we'll all hang out together, okay? Last but not least is the indicators. The indicators are on sale. You guys want to snag it. It is our best deal we have. It is 82% off right now. Now, there may be times when you guys watch this video where it will be different. Just make sure you check this right here to get the best deal always on our indicators. The three that you really want are the price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. If you use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, you'll get 40% off today on the first three. If you use Save Money, you'll get 60% off the other 6 indicators here. But since we have this going on right now, you guys actually get 82% off all of our indicators. It is just the best deal, hands down. Now, if you guys want to purchase them individually, or if you've ever purchased indicators individually from us, just email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll just give you guys a PayPal invoice, pay the difference, and we'll just give you guys the rest of the indicators. And I don't want you guys overpaying at all. These 2 indicators are Forex indicators. They've never been coded on TradingView before, and we jokingly call this the pressure gauge, which is like the jackpot indicator. So please use it responsibly, guys. But the indicators you guys really want to get is the bundle pack, because that is the best deal. It's a one-time purchase. You get the indicators for life, and you also get the source codes to all of the indicators. And these indicators are helping us go literally 100% win rate. And I told you guys I'd show you this. The scalping masterclass has yet to lose as well. Go to the masterclasses and click right here on Masterclass 7, how to scalp with our indicators and metrics. You guys will see exactly how people are doing. And speaking of how people are doing, I'll end the video with this, guys. The testimonials are crazy. This will update as you guys are on our website. This guy did $2,777 on the EOS pump. He has all 3 indicators I just talked to you guys about: trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and trend dashboard. Okay. This guy down here does $485, and then he does $661 the day after, and then it just gets nuts, guys. This guy does $23,000 using our 2 indicators, trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, in one single week. He's like super blessed. Great masterclasses, by the way. Watch the masterclasses, guys. Literally, the mental game is everything, and I teach you guys how to master the mental game of trading, which is what hedge funds and institutions do, and unfortunately retail traders don't know, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. This guy does $6,310 with the indicators and the strategy. You guys can see that right here. $3,500 with the indicators and the metrics. The metrics are crazy, guys. This guy down here does $1,376, and then this is just nuts. $43,000 on a single trade with our indicators, trend exhaustion, and price versus well money flow. This guy does $100 to $400 a week on average. And this guy up here, I think he said he does about $4,000 a month. Yeah. Since joining the Trade Confident membership last month, I'm using the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow, making about $4,000 per month. Pretty stinking awesome. So guys, that's what you need. Everything is linked in the description of this video, and I pinned it to the first comment of this video. So make sure you guys get the membership. You guys will get access to everything I showed you here, into the Telegram channel, access to the Telegram channel right here, and then make sure you guys are getting the indicators on sale, because that is the best deal we've got going, which is presented right here to you guys. All right, God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, get everything set up, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.